The following is information about myself during my undergraduate education, organizational experience and internships. I am Dirat Mahadiraja, S.Pd who graduated last March, 2020, at the State University of Padang. I am a graduate of electrical engineering with a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering education study programs, so I have a Bachelor of Education degree. My thesis discusses the development of learning modules that produce a product in the form of e-learning modules. The title of my thesis is Development of E-Learning Module in Subjects of Electrical Lighting Installation of Class 11 of T.P 2019/2020 Electric Power Installation Technique in SMK Negeri 1 Pariaman. In addition, during college I actively organized organizations that I attended during college like 1. DKN Sumber, Dewan Kepemudaan Nasional Provinsi Sumatera Barat, as chairman of the Public Relations and Media Department. 2020 to 2021. 2. BAME UNP, Padang State University Student Executive Board, for 2 periods. Served as expert staff at the Ministry of Human Resources Development and as Minister of the University in 2016 to 2017 and 2017 to 2018. 3. UKKPK UNP, Communication and Broadcasting Activity Unit of Padang State University, as the Editing and YouTube Coordinator in 2017. 4. Participate in establishing UKM, Student Activity Unit, at Padang State University under the name UKM, UKIT, Infinite Technology, UNP in 2019. I often get project editing video. The video editing application that I use is Adobe Premiere Pro. I can also use Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel. Teaching experience in schools. SMK Negeri 1 Padang. Subjects. 1. GD, Substation. 2. JDTL, Electric Power Distribution Network. 3. PJTL, Protection of Electric Power Networks. Teaching experience period, PLK, for 6 months, from July to December 2018. Industry experience during college. PLI at PT Lemba Carat in the Production Panel Control Section from June to August 2019. I can work with a team. And I want to learn new things.
Whee!